In the heart of Luminara, where history weaves its tale through cobblestone streets, resided two friends, Clara and Elara, as contrasting as a clear day and a stormy night. Clara, radiant as a sunflower with her fiery red hair, was an embodiment of optimism, always uncovering the silver lining in the gloomiest of clouds. Elara, on the contrary, with her raven-black tresses, was the epitome of pragmatism, often bracing for rain even on the sunniest of days. As they once sat in Clara's garden, a question lingered in Elara's mind. "Clara, why this abundance of sunflowers? They demand so much attention." Clara, with a warm smile, responded, "Sunflowers, Elara, always turn towards the sun. They are my constant reminder to seek the light, even when clouds loom large." The townsfolk often said Clara's garden was a reflection of her soul. It was filled with vibrant sunflowers that stood tall, facing the sun, even on the stormiest days. Elara's garden, while meticulously maintained, lacked the same vibrancy. It's a well-structured space, but devoid of colours, danced in sunlight. Their contrasting personalities were put to test when a severe drought hit Luminara, turning the once flourishing riverbeds into dry, parched land. Elara, being the pragmatic soul, began stocking up water and supplies, bracing for the worst. Clara, however, stood by her sunflowers, nurturing them with the little water she had, her spirit unbroken. As the drought persisted, Clara's garden bloomed, attracting not only the town's attention but also travellers from afar. The sunflowers stood as a beacon of hope, a testament to Clara's unyielding positivity. Inspired by her resilience, townsfolk began sharing resources, engaging in communal activities, transforming Luminara into a town of sunflower souls. Witnessing this transformation, Elara admitted, "Clara, you were right. Hope does make a difference." Clara, with a reassuring smile, replied, "Elara, it's never too late to let a little sunshine in." And then, one evening, rain poured down on Luminara, ending the long, grueling drought. The town rejoiced and the riverbeds sang their merry tunes once again. But more than the rain, it was the power of positivity that had truly saved Luminara. Years later, a passerby would find a statue in the town square depicting two women surrounded by sunflowers. An inscription at the base read, "In honor of the sunflower souls of Luminara, who taught us that even in the darkest storms, with positivity, we can find our sunlight." And so, the tale of Clara and Elara became a timeless legend in Luminara, a testament to the transformative power of optimism and the magic that unfolds when one chooses to see the sun, even amidst the storm.